Hi, this is Jake Hartline, and today I'll be teaching you how to use Feedly. Feedly is a news generator that compiles news feeds from various online sources for the user to customize and share with others. I will be showing you how to get started with Feedly. We will be logging in, creating new feeds, adding blogs and sources to those feeds, and how to save an article to read later. Let's get started. First, I'm going to log in, and this login process is the same for those who are making their first Feedly account. I'm going to quickly log in here, and once logged in, we're going to add a source to follow. I'm interested in social media marketing, so I'm going to pick Quick Sprout. Here's Quick Sprout. We're going to click follow and add to new feed. Here we are going to add our new feed and click create. Now we're going to add another source to our feed. Let's try this one. Now here I'm just going to add to my already existing social media marketing feed. Now I'm going to add a few more. Now we have 5 sources under the social media marketing feed. Let's add another feed. I'm interested in graphic design. Now let's add some sources to the graphic design feed. I like Spoon Graphics. Let's try this. I'm going to click new feed, and suggestion graphic design is already available. I'm going to hit create, and now I'm going to add a few more. I now added 4 more sources to my graphic design feed. Let's check out some articles. So let's see all articles on this source, and let's click on this article. I really like this article because they talk to Adobe Type Senior Manager Dan Radigan about good practice with type and some of the type trends for 2018. Now let's add, or save, I should say, save this article to read later. I'm going to click on this button up top to add it to my read later list. Now I can find it in my read later category here. So to recap, we logged in, created new feeds, added sources to those feeds, and saved an article to read later. Hope you enjoyed this video and will take advantage of this awesome tool. Thanks for watching.